Slept last night inside this kindergarten.
This community has been purpose-built with some amazing-looking architecture. Just spoke with one of the gardeners, kindergarten teachers, who gave me a shortcut to find my way back to the restaurant, which is 2 or 3 kilometers away, and then back to the trail.
This is what we're going through. Yeah.
These guys are volunteering. This place is a big maze. A huge maze. This is one big place, and they have a huge art center as well as a winery. You can come visit here if you want. I don't really have time to do a lot of checking out of the place because I have to walk on. But it is a very, very interesting community.
I'm back in this great restaurant to have hot coffee and maybe some kind of breakfast dessert.
Going all out with one of their organic juices that they produce here. And this is their famous cheesecake made with goat's milk.
So let's try this famous cheesecake. What a great breakfast. It's really good. A little bit tangy, really delicious. I love supporting the restaurant and the community, and I love what they're doing with their herding their own goats and growing all their own stuff.
I found the 3 German girls that I met at the shelter hostel. They were a day ahead of me.
So the German gals volunteered at the kibbutz, and that's why I caught up to them.
This is the start of a very long stretch, 30 kilometers through the military firing zone. I just walked past a girl, and she's like, "Did you call the army to tell them you're walking through here today?" And I'm like, "No." And she's like, "You should call them in case they're firing, because they do tank training here too." And last night I heard a lot of explosions, and this morning, so they definitely are doing training. Firing zone on both sides. Oh, don't cross now. Okay, I am back on the Shvil trail.
Holy crap, there's just a giant explosion over there. You can see the smoke or the dust. Yeah, that scared the heck out of me. Whoa, military zone. I see tanks rolling around out there. Hopefully not firing, because when they fire, they scare me. As a Canadian, seeing tanks rolling around beside me is so surreal, so weird, so weird.
Okay, the tank is now rolling around, shooting at things. Okay, the gunfire stopped, but they were shooting at stuff. Crazy. Walking by a military base here. Yeah, tanks all around this joint. Up close and personal with them.
I don't know if I'm allowed to take selfies with the tanks, but there's no one telling me no, so I'm doing it. Tanks.
I don't think I was supposed to be on that road. So, okay, I see a colored marker over there. I'm a little bit afraid to be randomly walking cross country because I don't want them to be practicing any maneuvers in this zone. Well, I doubt they would this close to the base. But there's a lot of car and tank tread over here, so so strange, so weird.
So one of the Israeli hikers, Ori, he was actually stationed, or he learned how to do all his tank stuff down here. So he's familiar with the area. So the rest of the crew, they're hitchhiking past it because to them it's flat and boring and not fun. Having a fun hike is more important than a true through.
but I'm intending to do as much as a true through as I possibly can. And I don't mind really walking this section because military stuff is a bit interesting to me. Not something I see on other hikes. It's something new.
I randomly see tanks rolling around town, but luckily they're not in my zone over here.
Okay, so I've just come off the trail. I'm about halfway through the military stretch, and I'm at Shittim Junction, where there is this place called Desert Ashram. And I'm excited to check it out and see what will happen there. Desert Ashram. We have a big festival tomorrow, so I think that's what they're setting up for. First thing I see is a peacock. This is my lunch. Everybody's eating around here. So this is the tent I'm going to be sleeping in. I don't know if there's going to be other people or just me, but it's very nice and comfortable. This is my sleeping area. Here's the shower area. It's like one big communal thing. I have some information to read while being in the shower. Quote from Ashram. Festival tomorrow, healing temple, silent space. It's gonna be a crazy time here. Even with all the hustle and bustle getting ready for the festival tomorrow, I still managed to find a very nice quiet spot to relax. This is a great Nero day, really amazing. There's one of these hot little ladies now. Big Buddha over there. Look, a big soup.